Do you have papers laying around that you'd like to get rid of? Do you want to file those papers digitally instead of in a paper file cabinet? Now you can scan it directly into your Google Drive as a PDF. Google knew what we were missing and they added this feature. In the Google Drive app on your phone, in the bottom right corner just above the plus sign, there is now a scan button. It recognizes the edges of the page. It tries to read the text and suggest a name. It will let you adjust the corners if you don't take the photo straight on. You can scan multiple pages at once and view multiple page PDFs. And you can scan images or text. I always suggest navigating to the correct folder in your Google Drive first if you have one, because then the files always land there. But you can always move files later if needed. That's it. Now you have a paper scanner in your pocket, so all those pesky papers can get uploaded right where you need them to be filed. I'm Amy Novick, a professional organizer, Google certified trainer, and productivity specialist. I empower business owners with Google Solutions. I look forward to helping you succeed.